Today I'm here to show you how to make your letter R sound. So I have some Play-Doh here that I made. It's pink. I think I actually did a pretty good job making it look like a tongue. So this is going to help us see how to make our R sound inside of our mouths. So if you have a piece of Play-Doh at home, you can go ahead and make a tongue along with me and practice. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold my hand like this. I'm going to pretend that I'm looking at my mouth from the side. So if I look at my mouth from the side, my teeth kind of come down. So this is going to be the top of my mouth. You got your bumpies right behind your teeth. These are my teeth. And this is the back of my mouth, back where that little hangy ball is inside. So if you look in a mirror, that's kind of where we are looking at. So your tongue is attached to your mouth back here like this. When you make your R sound, a little trick is to start making your L sound. So touch all your bumpies right at the front, right behind your teeth. Touch your bumpies, keep your voice on, and then slide it back like a shower curtain all the way to this middle spot where it starts to get really high. I'll give you a different angle to show you. So we're pretending that this is the back of our mouth, this is the front of our mouth, these are our bumpies, and this is your teeth. So my tongue is going to start stretched out on my bumpies behind my teeth and slide back, straight back like a shower curtain until I hit the part that's kind of soft. And if you slide it, you'll be able to hear you go from your L sound to your R sound. Let me show you on my mouth. I'm going to say my L sound and slide back. See? So you know exactly where your placement is. Your tongue is high up there, and it's nice and strong. So as soon as you hear a good R sound when you're practicing going from L to R, that is how you make it.